Yo guys, what is up? I'll be showing you how I connected my 2.4-inch TFT display to my Arduino Uno board. Okay, so these are the connections I've made. I'm using circuitdesigner.com to design the project. So 3.3 pin on the Arduino is connected up to the LED pin on the TFT display. The 5 volt pin on the Arduino is connected up to the VCC pin on the TFT. And GND on the Arduino is connected up to GND on the TFT. Then over here, pin 13 on the Arduino is connected up to SCK on the TFT. Pin 11 is connected up to SDI on the TFT. Pin 10 is connected to CS on the TFT. And pin 9 is connected up to reset on the TFT. And pin 8 is connected up to DC on the TFT. And yeah, those are all of the connections that need to be made for the hardware. So I got this display from AliExpress, and on here it says this display uses the ST7735 library. But when I tried to use it, it didn't work. And that's because this library mainly supports displays with 128 by 160 pixels. And our display is 240 by 320. I was going through the reviews and I saw another customer was having a similar issue to mine. Here, the case is labeled ST7735, but it did not work with this library. It worked with the ST7789 library. The seller should write a little more accurate information, which is true. So this library supports displays with 240 by 320 pixels, which is what we have. Okay, so over here we have the code, and as you can see we're using the ST7789 library. So before we do anything, make sure you've got the package installed. Yeah, so Adafruit ST7735 and ST7789 library. Make sure you've got this installed on your Arduino IDE. Once you've done that, you can import it over here. And then as you can see, we've defined our pins here for CS, reset, and DC. And then what else do we have? We've got a void setup. Here we've set up our thingy screen size, 240 by 320. And then one thing I couldn't understand is for some reason I have to set the color to white in order for the screen to be displayed as black on my TFT display. I've got no clue why it's like that, but it just works. And then same over here, I've got to set it as black in order to display white text on my display. So yeah, I've got no clue why it does that, but it works. And then text size to set cursor, and then I've got my message over here, hello Tronn 6158. So this will show up as white, but for some reason we've got to set the color as black. But yeah, this should get you to display a message on your display, and I'll be leaving all of the resources I used in the description. So yeah, if you enjoyed it, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.